Aloha, I'm Jordan Sonner, your Hawaii Realtor, and today I'm going to be answering the question, what is PMI? So PMI is private mortgage insurance. It is an insurance that protects against the bank losing money in case of a deficiency where the house is foreclosed on. It is something that the consumer pays that benefits the bank. Typically, most fixed rate loans with a down payment of less than 20% are going to be required to have PMI, private mortgage insurance, and this is not optional. Most of the time, though, you do have an option of how you would like to pay for this private insurance. The first option is through monthly payments, which gets tacked onto your mortgage amount, and this is typically how most people pay for their PMI. The second option is to pay it outright up front, so your monthly payment is a little bit lower, but you do have to come up with more cash out of pocket. The only downside to this really is if you do refinance your loan, you may not be entitled to any sort of refund on your PMI should you refinance it before it's neutralized itself, before the savings accrued are more than the money that you spent. And the third option is a blend of the two, which is pretty self-explanatory. So even though it's something that you as the consumer pay that protects the bank, it can be beneficial because it allows people that don't have that 20% down to purchase a home with programs that require less than 20% down, like the 3, the 5, the 10% conventional loans, FHA, USDA, VA, and any other special loan programs that don't require that 20%. Sometimes a lender will offer a loan program with a smaller down payment that does not have PMI. However, usually when this loan program comes around, it means that the interest rate is going to be a little bit higher. So it's between you and your lender to figure out if you're going to save money by going with the no PMI higher interest loan, or if you take the PMI on a lower interest loan. You also should be talking to your tax accountant because your write-off at the end of the year is going to differ between what you pay into a PMI and what your interest that you're paying is. So that was just a quick synopsis into what PMI, private mortgage insurance, is. If you have any more questions on it, send me a message. If I can't answer it, I will put you in touch with a lender that can. You have a great day. Aloha.